This is my 2018 setup of my Lego modular buildings. I now have enough buildings to make a complete city block. That's 4 corners and 2 buildings between each corner, as well as the beginning of a side street. The street has the Assembly Square and the brand new downtown diner. Across the street from the Assembly Square is the City Hall and the Palace Cinema. And you can see there's a lot of traffic on the street, people busy going here and there. Beside the cinema is the fire brigade with a fire truck out in front of it, and a greengrocer. And we have the Grand Emporium. Around the corner from the Grand Emporium, first on the corner there is a pizza truck. He's getting ready to sell some pizzas. And then we have the pet shop and the detective's office. And on the corner is the cafe corner. Notice the sign reads hotel from both sides. And we have more traffic on this street, as well as a Lego semi-truck getting ready to deliver some nice Lego products. Then we have Market Street, Joe's Sporting Goods, which is my own creation. And in the middle, it looks like we're getting ready for some heavy construction because we have a Technic crane all set up, ready to start moving materials around. Little view inside the block. The Joe's Sporting Goods was developed because after I completed the city block, I realized that you needed a way to get vehicles in and out, at least to dump the trash cans. So my building, the Joe's Sporting Goods, has an alleyway under it, and you can see the garbage truck coming out. There's also a sailor waiting for a bus. Now in this corner we have the Brick Bank. Looks like they're getting a delivery. And then there's a Parisian restaurant next to the City Hall. And of course on this side, as mentioned, we have the downtown diner next to the Assembly Square. And over here we've got the old fishing store. It's not part of the modular buildings, but it's the same size and goes well with them. And behind this street, this little Lego city has their own amusement park. They've got a nice fairy tale castle, and to the left of it is a Tomorrowland with a nice Saturn Five rocket. And to the right of it is Frontierland. They've got a old West Fort as well as an Indian village. Out in front of the Disney Castle, you see the Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, and Donald figures. And inside, just a little dark, but we have the traditional Mickey and Minnie, Daisy and Donald. We have Peter Pan and Hook, Maleficent, Ursula, Little Mermaid, the Genie, Aladdin, and a few other people running around. And we have the Indian village, the fort, and it looks like the soldiers inside are getting ready to come out and do a patrol. See, you've got a few covered wagons and a man on horseback getting ready to come out. Gives the tourists a good thrill.